Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ultra 2 and preparing your iPhone. Charge to at least 50%, then press and hold the side button to turn the watch on. Make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and is unlocked. Once done, open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. You'll see an animation on the watch. You align the watch face with the iPhone camera viewfinder to link devices. This pairing step securely exchanges credentials and begins automatic setup. You now move into configuration. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted so health and notifications sync. If you want cellular, follow carrier steps to add your plan, otherwise skip. Make sure to set a passcode and enable wrist detection to secure payments. Choose which apps to install and let health sync activity and workouts. You can customize the watch face and complications for quick access. For adventure, adjust location accuracy and emergency SOS, so the watch responds correctly. You finish by testing core features. Make a call, trigger a notification, and start a short GPS workout to verify location and sensors. If the watch asks to update watchOS, install the update to ensure stability. Make sure both devices stay on charger and Wi-Fi during the update. If things go wrong, restart the watch and iPhone first. If pairing failed originally, reset the watch in settings and reattempt pairing. This sequence fixes most issues and ensures your Ultra 2 runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.